I got my motorcycle license when I was in my late 30s or early 40s. Then after I retired, I decided I wanted to get a trike instead. So I was out riding that, and I slowed down to turn, and the car was getting up really close. And I put on my turn signal because I was turning left, and the car decided to pass me on my left. And so they hit me, and I went flying. I ended up in the hospital for 10 days. If you haven't really had occasion to be involved in something like this before, you don't know what to expect. And I hired an attorney before Hupy and Abraham, recommended to me by my daughter. Apparently my trike was in storage. Their insurance company, the people that hit me's insurance company, and they were only prepared to pay so much. I mean, I was going to be like on the hook for like a whole lot of money for storage. I called my attorney, and they said, well, no, that's your job to deal with that because it's the property damage. And so, you're going to have to negotiate with him. And, I'm still like injured. And so it was at that point I decided that I was going to try Hupy and Abraham, because Hupy and Abraham doesn't take a cut of any property damage that you get back. When I first hired them, they sent a representative out to, really thoroughly go through and ask me all kinds of questions and take all kinds of notes and stuff like that. And their insurance company wasn't going to pay the extra money for the storage, but then Hupy and Abraham got them to pay it. So once that was all taken care of, and they went through and settled the case, basically. I was real happy with it. I used half of it to pay off my house and car, so that gave me like significantly more disposable income every month. I mean, as soon as you can, like in your hospital room, be lucid enough to contact Hupy and Abraham, I would definitely recommend doing that, because they'll get right on it and you won't fool around. Thank you for staying with it and being thorough, and not waiting for me to have to initiate things, since I had no idea what I'd be doing anyway. I mean, when you're trying to recover from an accident and you've got all kinds of financial obligations and stuff, it's good to have a good law firm on your side.